ladies and gentlemen, I've been given 20 minutes to grab what I could and go to see if we are bug out ready. Josh showed up, give me 20 minutes to hook to the trailer, throw what I could in the car, and now we're gonna practice a bug out scenario 24 hours. Josh is in front of me. We are on our way. Wish us luck. All right, folks. Leaving the main road, entering the dirt road. Occupied.
It's very swampy over here too.
Alright guys, we made it to location number 2. All to ourselves.
You see how my fishing pole rode?
We've tried cattails. We tried Spanish moss. We've showered it with sparks. Now we're moving to the zippy fire.
Blow it.
What do you mean?
So the front,
front stabilizers work, but it's like significantly shorter than the back. I don't know that the back's going to be tall enough.
Alright guys, got the bug out location set up. Got firewood for the night. Josh has got his stuff set up. As always, I'll be sleeping in my incognito camper trailer. Got all the boxes out in case we need something. It's a little warm tonight. Mosquitoes are still out, but it's great to be outside. So far we haven't needed anything we didn't have. I'm sure we will find some things during this bug out training. Got a nice fire going. Find us a nice oak log. Build the fire in the middle of it. Hopefully she'll burn all night. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. We got ribeyes to eat and no grill. We're about to get creative here. Josh said I had to update on everything we're missing. So, grill grate number one. Grill grate number one. All right, guys. Josh has halfway figured out our cooking problem. Unfortunately, the ice packs did their job really good. So our beautiful steaks are still frozen. So we might eat by midnight. This is what camp looks like at night. Got her all set up. Josh's tent. Didn't put up the awning because we're only going to be here for one day. We've set our game cameras out in the woods. Set our motion light out in the woods. See if anything comes up on us tonight. Again, another great night to get outside. No grill grate, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure out how to cook. I'm not gonna starve. Are you trying to flip them?
Yeah.
Did you have to buy such a big steak?
I mean, you can pick the pan up if you want to.
No.
It's not hot right here.
Table. Might need a little oil in there. Just a little oil.
Did you bring that?
Add oil to the list of failures, guys.
I mean, we won't plan on cooking on a frying pan.
We gonna eat.
Oh, you doing the Nora up there? On the jet ball?
Yeah, I'd rather do it up here than
Is this your fire stir stick?
blacking up. Or paint. No, that was them laying there. That one over there. Alright guys, got the water on the boil. Gonna cook us a little Knorr meal. Got this to go with the steaks, garlic and olive oil. Only $1. Knorr Italian sides. Nice little fettuccine. Don't that look fantastic, guys? Little charbroil. Just like that, in no time. Ooh, there it is, guys. About to eat it up. Already got started. Alright guys, getting ready to lay down. Fishing to take out the blanket. Get everything set on the cot. This is where we'll be sleeping tonight. Our bug out challenge. Learned a lot of stuff we need to add, some things we need to do differently, but
Things we don't need to forget.
Things we don't need to forget, as Josh feels he has to add in. Again, we appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. Why do I struggle with subscribe? Please like.
Please do it. Just please.
Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you on the next one.